Hello everyone, this is Sudipta from Technical Potpourri and welcome to my another video. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a very powerful flow feature which is coming to your org after Spring 26 release. Now when you display your data using datatable component within a screen flow, you can do two things which was not there before. Number one, you can do a inline editing, and number two, you can do a sort on the column. Excited? So let's see this in action. Here I am in my Spring 26 release org. The first thing that I'll do, I'll go and create a flow. And this time I'm going to create a screen flow. First thing I'll do, I will fetch all the opportunities that I have in my org. So get all ops. Under object, I'm choosing opportunity, and here no condition and all records. So what this will do, this will fetch all the opportunities from the org. With that, let me add a screen element. Let's give it a name as screen2. Here on the search component, I'm going to search for data table, and this one under input, I'll drag it here. So this is where I will display all the opportunities in a data table format. So let's give it a name, display ops. Here in the data table label, I'll give all opportunities. Here the source collection is all about like from where the data will come from. So data will definitely come from the previous get element. So in the here, I'll choose this one. And now here I'll configure the rows. So here I can configure multiple rows, single rows, or maybe I can consider this as only a view only data table. But let's bring the column first. So the first column which I will bring is called name. So name is here. The second column which I will bring, which probably is the amount, let's bring it here. And the third column which I will bring is the description. So these are the three columns. Sorry, let me bring the third column and click on done. So now as you can see, we have three columns: name, amount, and description. So the feature which I am going to show you now, that's a new feature which is coming after Spring 26. And the feature is under this column. When you configure the column, you have the option, either you can sort the column values or you can allow to edit the column values. So here what I'm doing is that by checking these check boxes, I am allowing the name column to be sorted. At the same time, the name column, I am allowing the user to do a inline editing. So let's click on done and let's save that. Let's give it a name and new data flow, save. Activate. And let's run. As you can see, I have the name, I have the amount, I have the description. Now only name, I have given the permission to do the inline editing. Amount and description, I have not given the permission to do inline editing. That's why the inline editing option is not available, like the pencil icon, but here the pencil icon is available. So what I can do, let's say for example, I'm going to change the name of this opportunity. So I'm going to click on here and let's get rid of this new and put updated. The moment I'll do that, it will say confirm. I'll click on confirm and click on finish. But what happened? I changed the name, right? It's still the old name. So it looks like even though the inline editing is there, but whatever value I'm putting here, that's not getting saved in the system. So let's fix that. So before I show you how you can fix that, if you are interested to learn more about Salesforce, Google Cloud, AI, automation, machine learning, please consider subscribing to my channel and please hit the bell icon so that next time when I'll publish videos on this topic, you will be notified immediately. Okay, with that, let's fix this problem. Let's go back to the flow. All we need to do, we need to gather the inline edit and do an update in the flow. It is not happening automatically, even though the data table is allowing you to do an inline editing, but that doesn't mean whatever changes that you will do, it will be saved in the system. You need to maintain that. You need to make the logic inside your Salesforce Flow. So let me show you how you can do that. Now, here this is a data table, right? And here I am telling to do, they can select multiple rows, right? So it means I can come here and create a loop element. And here I can give loop through edited ops. In the collection variable, this time I'm going to choose screen2. This is the all opportunities, which is a data table, and the edited rows. So I'll select that, and here for each of the element under the loop, I am going to do a update records. What I'll do, update op, and here I'll do current item. And now if I go and save this as a new version and do the activate and run, I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to change the name of this opportunity to updated. Click on confirm and click on next. Let's close that and run it again. It's being updated. I can do the same thing for multiple opportunities. For example, let's give it a new name, updated V2. This opportunity, I'm giving the name as 2026. This opportunity, I'm giving the name as Canada Geo. So I made 3 changes. They are all highlighted here. So I'm going to click on confirm and click on next. All 3 are being updated. So that's how you can take advantage of this new enhancement in the data table. After the Spring 26 release, you will be able to configure your data table so that your end users can do the inline editing and sort on the column. But when they do the inline editing, you need to put the logic inside the flow to capture the change and do an update in the system so that whatever changes your end users are doing, that will get reflected in the backend system. I hope you like this video. If you think this video is helpful, please consider sharing this video with your friends, with your colleagues. And finally, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that next time when I'll publish videos like this, you will be notified immediately. Till my next video, stay safe. Thank you. Bye-bye.